Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is beautiful out here, snowing out here in the Pacific Northwest. If you're watching this video, you are probably watching it on Christmas Eve. So happy holidays to all you guys. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a wonderful freaking holiday season with your family, your friends, your loved ones. I got some new taillights for the Evo 8. The Evo 8 is down currently. Turbo is blown, if you guys saw yesterday's video. We actually ended up sending that turbo out to a company called Turbo Labs of America. They're gonna be building that whole turbo. They're gonna be making that Evo 9 turbo into a gnarly turbo for me. So it should be able to handle some crazy horsepower here soon. Nothing crazy, honestly. It'll be definitely be more horsepower than it was, but it's gonna be reliable. That's the thing. You guys already know I'm making a full video on that. It's gonna be super sick when I get that turbo back. But today's video, we're gonna be throwing new LED taillights on the Evo 8. Let's jump in the shop and see what's up. Damn, she's looking sad, boys. Real sad. I'm not gonna mess around. Let's go ahead and get these things opened up right now, and I'll show you the exact style I went with. You already know they're gonna be linked down below as well. Let's open these bad boys up. So boys, here is the taillight. I'm gonna go compare it to the ones on the car. You may be thinking like, bro, those are the same exact taillights, which they're very similar. Check them out, right? Here's the new one. There's the old one. But the cool thing about these taillights right here, the new taillights, they're full LED. These ones are not. So these ones should be way freaking brighter. I'm gonna go ahead and get one swapped out, throw this one on that side, leave that Evo taillight on that side, the one I currently run, and step back and compare the two. I am so freaking hyped to get these on. And I know in one of the videos I had a burnt out taillight, and it's actually just a fuse somehow that blew. So both of these taillights are working once again. That's not the reason I'm swapping them out. I want these LEDs because LEDs are freaking dope. I personally have never swapped out Evo taillights on a 8 before, so let's walk through it together. Pop open the trunk. I know my trunk's completely gutted, guys. Don't mind it, it's freaking disgusting. If anyone has all of the stuff for the trunk, like for sale, all the carpet, the board, all that shit, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll gladly buy it off you. All right, what are we working with? Looks like, let me grab a little light so you can see. So this panel right here has to come off. There's a little screw right there. Rip that bad boy off, or a little plastic clip. Looks like this guy right here has to come off as well. Now we should be able to get to the back of that taillight just fine. Oh, another little clip right there. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. See, that's why I freaking show you guys everything. You don't need to do any of that, what I just did. I just wasted a couple minutes of my life. Whatever. Open the trunk, guys. 2 screws right here. Go ahead, pull those 2 screws out, and the taillight should come off. Frick, if I knew it was that easy, I'd have done this a while ago. Man, they make that so simple on this car. Damn, taillight comes off. A little wiring clip right here. There they are, side by side. New taillight, old taillight. Very, very similar. And honestly, guys, these are both the same brand, I think. Yeah, these are both Depot taillights. I want to say these are like JDM replica tails. I'm pretty sure these came stock. This style right here came stock on a, was it the JDM Evo 8? Or maybe the Evo 9, I don't know. I'm pretty sure the Evo 7s are all red. These are my favorite style. They do offer the full LED tails, like in a blacked out version. So there'd be no red, no amber right there. But I feel like on this car, I needed some color on the rear of it. If it was just all black, I don't think I'd like it all that much. So let's throw this new taillight on. Plug it into that wiring connector right there, that black connector right in the center you guys are seeing, right into that connector right there, and we can test it out. Well, my dudes, there it is. New taillight, old taillight. When they're turned off, they look pretty similar. You can kind of tell there's LEDs in there, which is kind of futuristic looking. But when you turn on the car, those are way brighter. That looks so good. So here's the old taillight. Here's the new full LED tails. Those look so freaking sick, boys. Damn, that looks really good, honestly. Let's go ahead and get this one swapped out real quick. Damn, that looks good. Nice bright reverse lights, LED reverse lights. Let's turn on the blinker. I don't know if the blinkers are LED or not. I have a feeling they are. Oh shit, they are LED. That's crazy. That looks really, really freaking good. I know a lot of you are going to be concerned about like the finish of these, like the build quality, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and get some really up close detailed shots for you so you can really see what I'm talking about. I don't think these are going to be as perfect as a set of OEM taillights, but then again, OEMs aren't LED. You can kind of see like some glue lines up here. I'm sure you guys can see that on the camera just fine. That's the only gripe I have with these tails. Honestly, they fit freaking amazing. They fit on the car really, really well. My bumper's kind of falling off, so don't mind that. But that's like the only gripe I'm having with these depot tails. Everything else is perfect on them. Lenses are nice and clear. I don't know if they're gonna leak at all, just because I haven't got the car outside at all, and I can't right now because there's a turbo missing. But honestly, that's like the only thing. You can see random little glue lines when you're about 6 inches away. But if you stand back here, boys, they look amazing. Just like that, the new taillights are on. They look absolutely amazing. If you guys want to pick up a set, they will be linked, second link in the description box below, right under my website, vossen.com. They're stupid cheap. I think $210, I want to say, is what these taillights cost for the red and amber edition, like I installed here, or the fully blacked out, if that's you guys' style. Kind of like the ones I have on the Evo 10, the fully blacked out edition. Stupid cheap though, super easy to install. 2 screws per side, unplug the wiring, put the new taillight on, screw them back on, and you're done. Nothing crazy like the Evo 10, where we had to do all that crazy wiring and all the LED boards and all that crap. These are super, super easy to install, and they're crazy cheap. I guarantee these taillights, like the original OEM, or the JDM 9 or JDM 8 taillights that are the same style as these, they're probably 2 or 3 times the price, and these look absolutely amazing, guys. Second link in the description box below. Go pick up a set. They look sick and add so much to the back end of your Evo 8. I'm pretty sure they'll fit 7, 8, and 9. They look sick. Go pick up a set, boys. I know this video is pretty short. The install went much quicker than I expected and anticipated it to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. It's Sunday. You guys are probably watching this Monday. Once again, happy holidays to all you guys. I love and appreciate every single one of you that has been supporting the channel and supporting the brand. Seriously, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed the holiday season, and Merry Christmas to every single one of you watching this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.